Hello, my name is Olivia, and I will be presenting our demo for our app Surfeit. My other group members are Luther, Sam, and Noah. Our app Surfeit was designed to address the Sustainable Development Goal 13, which is climate action. In the United States, it is estimated around 133 billion pounds of food is wasted annually, and it is estimated that 31% of this waste comes from the retail and consumer level. Food waste has a large environmental out- impact outside of the waste it creates in our landfill, but also waste precious resources like land, water, labor, and energy. Once food enters our landfill, it is often mixed with items that are not as biodegradable as food, and it causes an excessive amount of methane gas to be released into our atmosphere. So, we created this app to try and combat food waste. In our research, we learned that often people overconsume when they shop without a list or without taking note of what they already have in their pantry, in fear of missing something and having to come back. So we tried to create a mobile application that would keep you up to date on what's currently in your fridge and warn you when something's about to go to waste to try and prevent food from entering our landfills. So here's our opening screen, and it tells you the amount of items you've scanned in total, when the last item you scanned was, and how much money on estimated you've saved. You have the ability to add an item right from our main menu, but I'm gonna hop over to the fridge. So this is everything that I currently have in my personal database. So you have the items, the count of the item, and the expiration date. And so I have eggs, bread, apples, fish, carrots, milk, and yogurt in my current pantry. And say I was out shopping and I was like, oh, I probably need to get eggs, but I bought 18 the last time I was shopping, and now I still have 12, and I'm able to keep a mental note that maybe I don't need to buy them this time. But let's see, my fish is about to expire, so maybe I'm gonna buy some lemons to go with that. So I can go over to the camera to load an item, and you can use the keys on the keyboard to move around in this example setting. But if you were in the store, you should be able to use the camera to scan a barcode to get this information from the barcode. But since not, I'm going to use manual input. And so we can put the product name, in this case, it's just a lemon. Say I'm buying one, that's today's date, and say a lemon lasts a few days. So we'll give it 5 days. And then we'll give this the produce category. And then we should be able to submit it. And then lemon is successfully saved, and this is its expiration date. And if we go back over to the fridge, we can see it was the last thing added to our list.